Hi, I'm Janina at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Artist Choice Brush Capsule.
Perfect the art of makeup application with 4 full-size hero brushes, the dream team for creating flawless looks with powder, liquid, and cream makeup formulas. These multitasking vegan brushes deliver pro-level precision, seamless blending, and endless effects to help you get the most from your makeup. The Detail Shader Brush is perfect for precision across small areas. I like to use this for adding extra depth in a crease. For building color across lids, I love to use the Eye Base Brush. The Detail Blender Brush is my go-to for blending, contouring, or creating a wash of eye color. And our new Angled Multitasker Brush helps to seamlessly diffuse, blend, and contour across the face.
Whether to brush up on your own artistry or for gifting, this set is the perfect collection of brushes to create endless effects, and it's at an incredible value too.